this is the new subscription box that I decided to subscribe to. It's not a box, it's a bag. I'm worried about what's in here because this cost 50 bucks. It was $35 for the subscription and $15 for mailing. And I looked at the amount that they paid, and they paid less than $5. So they already took 10. I know you gotta pay for the envelope and all that stuff, but still, you could have done 10 if you're gonna send this. So I don't know what's in it. We'll see. If it's that bad, I'm gonna cancel. If it's that good, I'm gonna go up to premium. So we'll see. But it doesn't feel very, oh my God. Oh my God. Really? Oh my God. I cannot believe I paid $50 for this. $3.50 washi tape, a pen, watercolors in bottle caps, and more paper that's so tiny I can't do anything with it. Wow. Okay, well, the name of it is Push Pull, and I don't recommend that you subscribe to it. Oh my God. That is ridiculous. So apart from the 50, this is supposed to be $35. This. Wow. That is awful. Oh my God. Okay, well, I don't, it's and look at this is the watercolor. Look how crappy it is. Is there any pigment in it at all? Wow. Yeah. That's awful. I was gonna try to make something with it. Smooth, lightweight paper for calligraphy. Wow. Oh my God. I didn't expect this. Look at this. Like they just dug through the trash can. Oh my God. I cannot get over this. This is so much worse than I imagined. Wow. This is $3 for these 4x6 pieces of paper. So there's $6.50, $7.50, $8.50. We'll give it 50, make it 9. There's no price on that. Well, it's priceless, right? Say 9. This is 10. That's 19. So this is $16. This is $16. This crap. Oh my God. This is the worst. Wow. Canceling as soon as I stop making this video. I will test the watercolor because I think it's awful. Wow. How embarrassing. Oh my God, this paper's awful too. Give me a brush. Oh my God. Well, the paint's not as bad as it looks on that paper. It's not as thin, but it's not really anything to write home about. Still have red mixed in there. All right, the paint's not bad, but it's certainly not worth what they're charging. Wow. And especially because I was already aggravated with the shipping, which is, it was more than 3 times what the actual shipping cost. Which I'd say, all right, double. All right, I'll take double because I know you have to package it and stuff. I cannot get over this. And this looks the same. I mean, I don't know, it's sparkly, I might use it, I don't know, but it's just gross. All right, so those are the colors, if you can see them. turn the lights down as far as I could turn them. Oh my. So, well, I guess I was going to make something, but I really don't want to at this point. Wow. So it's called Push Pull, and it's in Ballard, Washington. Yeah. Seattle. It says pushpullseattle.com. And this pen, I guess I could. Le Pen Flex. It's a black pen. Hi, Murph. I know, it's very disappointing, isn't it? And washi. Just regular old washi. $50. And this, which, what am I going to do with this? I guess I could use it as printer paper. Oh my. All right. Maybe I can do a face of a disappointed customer. Let's see. This is me. Trying to figure out how to draw my hair. I usually wear it in a ponytail or a messy bun. I have a little nose. The pen's not bad, but, you know. Again, nothing to write home about. The paper is, it's okay, but it's tiny. What am I supposed to do with it? I don't work this small. I mean, send one piece and send it, you know, not cut up. Oh, I hate to be bitchy, but geez, this is just awful. Grrr. Okay, now I gotta use these colors somewhere. So let's see, I'll wear a scarf and a shirt. All right, let's see. Where's that brush? Well, my hair's not blonde, but they don't have brown, so. And the pen's not waterproof. So that's worth knowing. Oh, here I thought I found a replacement for the Art Snacks. But no, I think Art Snacks isn't even this expensive. I did sign up to try another one too, which I'm not sure I'm gonna like it though, because it doesn't seem like it's strictly art. It could be like crafty stuff, so we'll see how that goes. I'll get that maybe next week sometime. See, red, I'll do red on my cheeks because I'm not happy. This is gray with a touch of pink. Oh, maybe I can mix some pink. Oh, that's a little. To make my gray complexion. Oh God, yeah, this ink is just running all over the place. Although I can kind of cover that up a little. I changed my mind about the eyebrows. I was going to do nice eyebrows, but then I decided against it. Oh. Wow, and it took forever to get here too. They probably could have sent it first class for the same money. It wasn't that heavy. Whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna go in and cancel any further shipments. Wow. Okay, so I use that. So I gotta use these two for, let's use the blue for my sweater. I don't even know if I would have been happy if I just paid the $35 and gotten this, because that still seems like highway robbery. Okay, and this looks exactly the same. I need a paper towel or something. How come that's the same color? Is it? Yeah, that's green. And this is green, although it's supposed to be, it looks like it's supposed to be blue. I don't know, it looks the same to me. Looks like I got two of the same color. Wow. Murphy, your food's right here, honey. Your food's right there, Zilly. Okay. And we can frame it. With some washi. There. Portrait of an unhappy customer. Okay, that's it for this week, I guess. So next week I'll probably do the Sketchbox, which I'm sure will be, it couldn't be worse than this. So we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye. Happy Thanksgiving.